Hello, gorgeous. My name is Taylor Drew, the founder and head coach of Systems Guru, and I am here to talk to you today about the number one question that I get in the DMs and emails, which is, what does it mean to be a systems strategist? So I'm excited to talk to you about this today because I'm sure it's going to address a lot of people's questions and all the things. So make sure that you watch this video to the end, okay? What does it mean to be a systems strategist? A systems strategist is someone who specializes in creating and implementing efficient systems and processes within a business or organization. They work closely with their clients to identify areas of improvement, streamline their operations, and leverage systems, tech, and AI tools to maximize efficiency and productivity. As a system strategist, you'll need to have a very deep understanding of your client's business goals, as well as the tools and technologies available to help achieve those goals. You'll be responsible for designing and implementing customized solutions that meet the unique needs of each and every one of your clients. In addition to technical skills, a system strategist also needs to possess strong communication and problem-solving abilities because you'll often be working with various stakeholders within the organization, so being able to effectively communicate your ideas and solutions is key, okay? Overall, being a system strategist is all about helping businesses operate more efficiently and effectively. It's a rewarding and also challenging role that requires a unique blend of technical expertise, creativity, and strategic thinking. If you're interested in becoming a system strategist, I suggest that you turn on your notifications and subscribe to my content so you can learn the step-by-step process. One thing that I love and will always love about being a system strategist are the puzzles that I'm able to complete. You know, the strategies that I'm able to create for my clients that make them feel like they can fall in love with their businesses again. A lot of the clients that I start working with, they are overwhelmed, they're stressed out, their lives are chaotic when they're trying to, hold a smile and keep a smile on for their Instagram audience or their TikTok audience, but deep down inside, they're really struggling, right? And out there, there's so much, everyone says that you need everything, right? So you may need a marketing coach, you need to outsource your blogs, you need to get on LinkedIn, you need to hire a virtual assistant to get things off your plate, but you know that you don't even have your ducks in a row in order to make those things come true for you and for them to actually help you. I know when I start working with clients, there's this vulnerability there that makes me feel very powerful when it comes to how I can help them transform their businesses. So a lot of system strategists like me are empaths, right? We feel what our clients feel. Like when we see our clients stressed or potential clients stressed out, you just want to help them, right? It's like, all right, tell me what's going on. Let me create some plans for you. If you are that person, typically for your clients, for your friends, for your family, then you may low-key be a system strategist. This may be a new identity that you may want to step into. I love what I do, right? And I don't think sometimes a lot of not potential, but aspiring system strategists get hung up on the technical skills or the technical abilities or the business tools because they're so mind washed and brainwashed from being in college, where it's like, oh, you have to get this particular degree and this particular certification and this particular, right? Especially Black women who, go back and try to think that they need one more certificate or one more degree for them to feel worthy. But at the end of the day, it's up to us to really take control of the skills and the natural abilities that we have. Like, why not monetize yourself? Why not monetize the skills that you already have, whether it is organizing digital files, whether it is helping people set up automations in their back end, whether it is building out web pages or sales pages, there's so many different avenues of being a system strategist, but the first step is claiming it. You want to claim it like, this is something that I want to do. I'm done being a virtual assistant or I'm done being a social media manager. I know that I want to solve my clients' problems with systems and tech and AI solutions. So if this is something that you're interested in, or if you're like, you know what, this sounds very interesting, I want to learn more about it, be sure to follow me on all social media platforms, on TikTok, on Instagram, at The Systems Guru, TheSystemsGuru. I will be here on YouTube or whatever platform you're watching this more often, where you can grab some of my videos and my content to soak up and learn what it takes to become a highly profitable and highly sought after system strategist. Again, my name is Taylor Drew, also known as the System Guru, founder and head coach of Systems Guru, and I hope to see you back. All right, have a good day.